Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. So today I will be discussing a trade in NIFTY, which is a low risk trade. It has high reward ratio, so RR ratio is quite good. So before discussing that, let's see first traditional disclaimer. So whatever information you are getting through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any trade that you take based on the suggestions made on this website is entirely your responsibility as well as its outcome, that is profit and loss, and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So as we see, Nifty is now moving towards a new territory. It's making all-time high. It had broke out from this range which I made earlier in my which I had been explaining in my earlier videos. Now it after that it made a gap up, then a big green candle, and yesterday it made a small red candle. So, but then this small red candle does not mean that it has become bearish. Momentum is high as we can see in RSI. So one low risk trade which I was thinking of, let's say if you buy this 11,000 CE, and if say Nifty moves more than 11,000, let's say 11,100, then what we can make out of it. So let's say you buy at present price 340, so and you buy 1,000 quantities, so your buying price is 3,400, and your risk, let's say it does not reach 11,000, it reaches 10,099, then this call becomes zero, so you lose all of 3,400. But say it reaches 11,100, then it becomes the price of this call becomes 100 rupees. So 100, and let's say you buy 1,000 quantity, right? So your buying price, your risk is 3,400, and if it becomes 11,100 on the expiry day, then its cost becomes now 100. So now you are in a profit of around 97 rupees. Let's, for the calculation sake, it becomes 103, and your profit is 100 rupees. So 100 multiplied by 1,000 is 1 lakh rupees. So this is just a game of probabilities, that if at all it reaches 11,100. Now what you can do is to reduce the risk, don't buy 1,000 quantity at one go. You can buy uh, let's say 150 quantity at one go, and slowly reduce and as let's say price is going up, but then it is moving slowly, so time decay will hit and it comes down, then you can keep on adding. So as 11,000 as 11,000 premium gets reduced, then you can keep on adding, or you can enter 10,800 or 700. So currently I'm in 10,000 CE, 10,700 CE, and I have also bought a small quantity of 11,000 CE. So uh, but market will not move smoothly. It will not directly go to 11,000 or 11,200. It will make a good up move one day, and then for few days it may be stagnant, or so the move might not be very smooth, and at some point of time you might see that premium is getting reduced of your call. So this is something, but then still this is a very low risk trade and the reward is very high. I'm not sure time wise if Nifty will reach 11,000 mark in this November series or December series. uh, predicting time wise is a bit difficult. There are certain precursors uh, which had to be crossed before Nifty will reach 11,000 plus in this November series. So one of this will be uh, by next week at least Nifty has to be at around 10,650, 700 around. Then we can say that our calls will be in good condition uh, to so that it will be profitable at the end of the November series. Also, let's say that it is we find that 11,000 is difficult for Nifty to reach in this November series. Let's say in 2 weeks, then in any time you can square off. So this is always in your hand that if you have bought this CE, you can always square off at any time you feel that. This is not going to be done. So let's say that you are in minus of 1500 and then also you can get out. So still the risk is less and the reward is high. So this is always in our control when to get out of this trade. But then I don't want you to be very aggressive and buy, let's say, 10,000 of it. So because if you are doing that, then you will be risking 30,000 to 30,000 at one go, and this is not advisable. We have to keep our risk minimum. Don't be overtaken by greed that okay, if I buy more quantity, that means I will get more profit. Instead of 1 lakh, you start seeing 10 lakh because you have multiplied your quantity by 10. So this is how normally you incur heavy losses. So don't do that. Either buy in small quantities and keep adding on every dip, or whenever you see that it's not panning out, or let's say that it has by next 2 weeks, uh, Nifty has reached 10,800, and let's say you are in a profit of 30 40,000. So in that case also you can book profit. So you can either book a small loss of 1,000 or 1,500, or you can book your profit of 30 40,000 at any time you are comfortable, or you can wait for Nifty to cross 11,000 and reap more benefit. If at all Nifty can do that in this November series, else we will plan something for December series. But first, let's talk about this series only. So this is one trade that I can suggest. Nifty is looking good. There is no weakness. So only thing is it may consolidate at this point of time a bit, or again. So there is no weakness at least by chart, and that's why I have come up with this trade. So hopefully you have understood the strategy, and then you can plan according to your risk. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can ping me on the number provided in the description. And yes, my all calls, my all trading ideas will be free. I don't charge anything. So that's it for now. Hopefully you like this, and you may try to jump into it. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.